Good morning, everybody. What are you doing these days? I know that you are learning something. Good students, you are very good students, M.P.PNs. Give a clap for you. Good. So, we are starting today's class with subject social studies. We will study social studies. Okay, social studies is the study about the things in our surroundings. We will learn about our country, our people, our food, clothes, festivals. When we study about all these things, it is called social studies. Okay, so shall we start now? Okay, we are going to start. What are we going to learn in this chapter? We are learning about the food we eat. What is the name of the chapter? The chapter's name is The Food We Eat. We all eat food. I eat food. You also eat food. We like different types of food. Is it? Okay. So, this is the chapter what we are going to learn. So, shall I start? Okay. What is the first thing which we will learn in this chapter? We will learn about the food. We will see what is food. What is food, do you know? Things that we eat are called food. What is food? The things that we eat are called food. Can you read it with me? Things that we eat are called food. And we eat food when we are hungry. When do we eat food? We eat food when we are hungry. If you are not hungry and if your mama gives you food, do you take it? No. You will take your food when you are hungry. Okay. Now we will see why do we need food? Why do we need food? Do you know? We must eat food. Even if you are not hungry, then also you have to eat food. Why? What is the answer? C. We need food to grow big. We need food to grow big. Can you tell along with me? We need food to grow big. Okay, you have to grow big, so you need food. Then stay healthy. Why do we need food? We need food to grow big, stay healthy, then become strong. If you want to become strong, you have to eat food. And finally, get energy. You need energy. Why do you need energy? You need energy to study and play. Now you are studying social studies. For that you need energy. Otherwise you cannot sit and study. To get that energy, you must eat food. And in the evenings, you play with your friends or your brothers and sisters. To play also you need energy. Your mama and papa, they work throughout the day. For that they need food. Got it now? So tell me, why do we need food? We need food to grow big, stay healthy, become strong, and get energy to study and play. Okay, because of these four reasons, we need to eat food. So shall we continue? Okay, now we will see what do we eat. What do you eat? Tell me. You eat chapati, okay, dal roti, Good. Dal chawal. Okay. Then many things you are eating. Is it? You eat fruits. People eat different kinds of food. Okay. Now let us see what do normally the people eat. What do they eat? We eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses. What do we eat? We eat four kinds of things. What are they? We eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses. What do we eat? Can you repeat? Okay, what do we eat? We eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses. Okay, you learned it? Then what else we eat? We also eat dal, chapati, and rice. Okay, this dal is known as pulses. Chapati and rice, roti or chawal, they are known as cereals. Okay, so we eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses. Then all the people don't eat these things. Let us see some examples. Some people eat egg and meat. There are some people among us who eat these fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses, and they also eat egg and meat. Okay, now tell me, what about a baby? Does a baby eat these things? No. And do you eat only these things? No. There are some more items we take. What are they? Let us see. We drink milk and juice. We drink milk and juice. Whenever you feel thirsty, you drink milk or juice or water. Is it? Yes. You ask your teacher now, may I go to drink water? Yeah, may I drink water? Yes. Why do you drink water? Because you feel thirsty. Then you drink water. And at your home, you take water, milk, and juice. Is it? Okay. Our mother and father drink tea and coffee. When you drink milk, do your parents also drink milk? No. In the morning and evening, they drink either tea or coffee. Your father and mother, then your grandparents, they also drink tea or coffee. Is it? And I asked you about a baby. What does the baby drink? Babies drink milk only. What do the babies drink? Babies drink only milk. So you have come to know what do we eat. Now can you tell me what do you eat? Okay, what do you eat? You eat cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables. And some people eat egg, fish, and meat. Then we drink also. What do we drink? We drink water, milk, and juice. Is it? Okay. And what do the babies drink? The babies drink only milk. So, shall we continue? Okay. We are going to the next topic. What is the next topic? Eating habits. Eating habits means whenever you are eating anything, there are certain habits you should develop. You should have some habits while you eat the food. They are called eating habits. Okay, we have to follow some habits when we are eating. They are known as eating habits. So, what are the eating habits? Number 1, wash your hands before and after you eat anything. Wash your hands before and after you eat anything. What you should do? You should wash your hands properly. And when should you wash your hands? You should wash your hands before you eat anything and after you eat anything. Okay. Then number 2. What is number 2? Eat clean and fresh food. You should eat clean and fresh food. You should not eat dirty food, uncovered food. You should not eat the food which is not fresh. Okay, then what will happen? You will fall ill. So you should eat only clean and fresh food. Number 3. What is number 3? Number 3 is do not waste food. What you should do? You should not waste food. Take only what you can finish. You will take only that much food which you can finish. You will not waste food. Then the last one, rinse your mouth after you eat anything. What you should do? You should rinse, you should clean your mouth after you eat anything. Otherwise, what will happen? Do you know? Your teeth will be decayed. You will have pain in your teeth. Infection will be there in your mouth. Okay, so what you should do? You should rinse your mouth after you eat anything. So you have understood all this? Okay. You drink a lot of water. Do you drink water? Yes. Why do you drink water? Do you know? We must drink water. Why should we drink water? Because our body needs water. Our body needs water. That is why you must drink plenty of water. Plenty of water means a good amount of water. So you have come to know the different points about the food. Yes or no? Yes. So now have a look what we have learned today. What are the points we learned? We learned about food. Can you tell me what is food? Things that we eat are called our food. Is it? Yes. And tell me, when do we eat food? We eat food when we are hungry. Then number 2, what was the second point we learned? We learned why do we need food? We need food to grow big, stay healthy, become strong and get energy to study and play. What was the third topic we learned? We learned what do we eat? Can you tell me what do we eat? Okay, tell. Good. We eat fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. There are some people who eat fish, egg and meat. And along with our food, we should have some liquids also. What are the liquids we take? We take water, milk, tea, coffee, juice, etc. These things are also needed to our body because our body needs plenty of water to work. Okay, so what was the last topic? The last topic was eating habits. How many eating habits we learned today? We learned 4 eating habits. What are they? Number 1. What was number 1? Do you remember? Okay, I'll tell you. Wash your hands before and after you eat anything. What you should do? You should wash your hands before and after eating. Number 2. What was number 2? I think you remember it. Yes. Second point was eat clean and fresh food. We will always eat only clean and fresh food. What was the third point I taught you? Okay, I told you that you should not waste food and you will take only that much whatever you can finish. And the last one was rinse your mouth after you eat anything. You have to clean your mouth after you eat anything. These are the 4 eating habits we learned today. So the first chapter is over. I'm sure that you understood it. Okay. Have you understood? Okay, very good. And keep on studying and take care. You should not forget all these things which have been taught in the class. Okay, whenever you come back to the school, I will ask you about food. You should give me the answer. So, shall we wind up today? Okay, you have to stay home and stay safe. You will stay only in your home, then you can be safe. So, today's class is over. We will meet tomorrow. Till the time, bye.